Introducing the 2025 Leapmotor C10 design Reev, a sleek and stylish vehicle with an impressive range of features that will enhance your driving experience. From the comfortable interior with air conditioning and ambient lighting to the advanced safety and security features like the 360 view camera and collision alert system, this car has it all. Plus, with a 1.5-litre engine size and only 5,500 kilometers on the clock, you can trust that this vehicle is reliable and ready for the road. And don't forget about the added bonus of a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty. Interested? Contact us at Joe Norris Motors or visit our website for more information.